My name is Spencer. I'm an engineer at MG Research Corporation, and we're going to walk through our testing setup for IHS PAEB. So on the top of the vehicle, we have the antenna and IMU, which contains all of the sensors that feed into the VBox4, which is our central processing unit for this whole setup. VBox4 is connected to the RaceLogic HD2, which connects the microphone and cameras and records data off of them. The VBox4 connects to a display at the front of the vehicle called the MFD, which allows our drivers to know if they are staying within tolerance or not during deep run. To control the robot with the car, we have a series of radios that all communicate with each other and a program called Synchro to allow the robot to come out at a certain time to collision. We have one radio on the top of the vehicle that's connected to the VBox4, our central processor, a radio inside of the robot itself, one radio that's held by the controlling person, and one static node that's connected to the laptop controlling everything. If you're interested in learning more about our ADAS capabilities, be sure to contact us at www.mgaresearch.com/contact, and we look forward to supporting your future testing.